Hello, mathematicians. Welcome back to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, you will be working on your Number Corner Checkup 3, Part 2. You worked on the first half yesterday. We'll work on the second half today. Let's have a look at our assessment in Seesaw. Here are some reminders before you get started. Remember to listen to the directions on each page. You can press on the speaker by the word play to hear the instructions. Remember to work on your own using your own thinking. Your teacher wants to know what you can do and what math problems you can solve, not what someone else in your house can do. Remember to try to solve all of the problems, even the ones you don't fully understand. If you skip a problem because you didn't know how to do it, go back and look again at the end. The solution might come to you. Remember, explain how you solve the problems when the problem asks you to. You can use pictures, words, and numbers in your explanations. Do your best on every page. Let's look at our first page. Number 7. Subtract these two numbers. Show your work. Use numbers and words to explain how you got the answer. 73 minus 29 equals something. Show your teacher how you can solve this problem. This is your time to use your strategies, like an open number line, drawing your base 10 pieces. Maybe you're really good at the splitting strategy. Show your teacher what you can do. Number 8 says add these four numbers. Show your work. Use numbers and words to explain how you got the answer. Add together 23 plus 24 plus 47 plus 56. How can you add those numbers together? What would be the best strategy for you? Show your teacher how you know the answer. Number 9 is showing you a picture of some shapes. Follow the directions to color them in. Letter A says find all the shapes with exactly 3 vertices and color them red. Use the pen tool, make it red, and color in those shapes. Letter B says if a shape has exactly 3 vertices, it is called what's it called? Write the name of the shape in letter B. Letter C says find all the quadrilaterals and color them blue. Change the pen to blue and color in the quadrilaterals. Letter D says how can you tell if a shape is a quadrilateral? You can use the microphone or text tool to tell how you know. Letter E says find all the shapes with exactly 5 sides and color them green. Change the pen tool to green and color in the shapes with 5 sides. Letter F says if a shape has exactly 5 sides, it's called a. Write the name of the shape in letter F. Number 10 is telling you that I have a shape in my pocket. This shape is a solid, 3-dimensional shape. It has 6 square faces. The 6 faces are exactly the same size. My shape is called a. Can you think of the name of that shape I described? If you can, write the name of it on the line in number 10. Number 11 is asking you to draw a closed 2-dimensional shape that has 6 sides and label that shape with its name. Number 12 is all about money. Count the money in each box and circle the correct amount. Think about all the coins we know. Think about a quarter. How much is a quarter worth? Think about a dime. How much is a dime worth? What about a nickel? How much is that worth? Or a penny? How much is a penny worth? Think about the worth or the value of all of our coins, and then write the correct value of the collections for letters A, B, and C. Number 13 is giving you 2 story problems. For each story problem, use pictures, numbers, or words to help you solve the problems and show your own thinking. Write your answers on the lines, and be sure you're using the cents sign and the dollar sign correctly. Do your best. Letter A says Paul has 4 dimes and 2 nickels. Alex has 3 dimes and 3 nickels. Who has more money and how much more? You'll need to know how much money Paul has and how much money Alex has first. Then you can find out who has more and how much more. Letter B says Kate had a $1 bill, 2 quarters, and 3 dimes in her piggy bank. She found 1 dime and 2 pennies under her bed and put those in her piggy bank too. How much money does Kate have in her piggy bank now? You need to think about all the money Kate has, the money she had in her piggy bank, and the money she found under her bed. How much does she have altogether? Write the answer on the line. All right, mathematicians, you have a lot to do. Time to get to work and show your teacher what you know. I will see you next time for Number Corner.